we will understand what UPSC wants from UPSC aspirants while reading news. Right? Start with this question, and then we will find what the hidden layer where they are looking for. With reference to direct air capture, an emerging technology, which of the following statements is correct? First, it can be used as a way of carbon sequestration. Second, it can be valuable approach for plastic production and in food processing. Third, in aviation, it can be a source of carbon for combining with the hydrogen to create synthetic low carbon fuel. Now, all these three statements are given in terms of not just news. The nature of these statements are fundamental in nature. Okay, so that means they don't want you to be just up to the layer of current affairs. They want you to be find out the fundamental layer of the topic. Okay, so if you can see this, all these three statements are completely proves that to the topic you have to be fundamental. So that should be your approach, not just current affairs layer. Once you are fundamentally strong, you can easily eliminate the wrong options properly in less time.